All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, my people, this is another one reaching us. Still on the matter, Yoruba Nation not going back. Exactly what it is, exactly what the people are still talking about. Well, onto this one, as it stands, my brother, my sister, the news is still on. And then Yoruba Nation, as it stands, no going back, exactly what it is. Well, onto this one, an elderly woman, as you can see on your screen, this elderly woman finally sent strong message to Mrs. Modupe Onitiri and Kørìß. Well, in her statement, she made mention of many things. That no, she talked about the way the whole thing is going in the country, Nigeria, that it has never favored anyone. All right, and then meanwhile, she made it clear that as far as this movement is concerned, as far as no everything that is happening in the country is concerned, that we are not happy. The people are not happy. And then she made it clearly that she actually made them understand that she would not be voting this period, and then she did not vote according to what she has said. She said she is over 70 years of age, and then she has been voting since 1960, yet nothing happened. All right, and then right now she was of the opinion that Kørìß, is it supposed to be like that? And then from her words, she was like, I'm not talking about that Kørìß, that she is not talking about the Kørìß that is against the Yoruba people, and a lot of people thought she is for the Yoruba people. She and her counterpart, Mrs. Modupe Onitiri, according to this elderly woman, she made it clear that everybody needs to be very careful of Kørìß because she is not working for the Yoruba people. And a lot of people were like, wow, so this is exactly what is going on. That she is not actually working for the Yoruba people, that she has gone astray. All right. And then meanwhile, she said a lot of things that as far as Nigeria is concerned, that there is nothing like one Nigeria. Because if there is one Nigeria, if there is love, that light, electricity is not supposed to be blinking in Nigeria. But look at what is happening. That of recent, because of election, they allowed the electricity to stay for 3 whole days. It did not shake. So she was not like, so these people can leave this electricity for 3 days without blinking. That is to tell you that they know what they are doing. That is to tell you that they are actually, punishing us deliberately. You can imagine. So she made all this clear to us, and then according to this elderly woman, she had made it clear that all Yoruba people need to this time around come together, work together to get Yoruba nation actualized, or else that the Yoruba people will suffer simply because a lot of the Fulanis this time around, they are now out, and they have started kidnapping and then killing people, and then they want to start house to house operation. Right now they have gone to a school in Oyo State, and then this time around this is to tell you that this set of people actually mean business. And then a lot of people earlier have actually talked about the fact that the Yorubas should, as a matter of urgency, not even fight the Igbo counterpart. That for Yoruba nation to even be actualized, that we need to work together with our Igbo people, Igbo counterpart. That this is not the time for us to be going against ourselves. This is not the time for us to be fighting ourselves, but this is the time for us to wake up, to be wise in all our decisions. Well, many things do had actually been said, but this woman made it clear that the Yoruba people need to work together. And she made mention of the fact that as far as this movement is concerned, the only people that she actually believe is Professor Banji Akintoye. These are the set of people that are actually doing the right job. That for Kørìß, everybody should forget about that woman, that she's not for the Yoruba nation movement. All right, my brother, my sister. So earlier, a lot were actually said. What I was actually telling my people earlier today was that as far as this movement is concerned, if you want this Yoruba nation to be achieved, if you want it to be actualized, then we need to love ourselves. We need to come together to do the right thing, or else a lot of things will go wrong. Yoruba nation not going back exactly what it is. And right now, I think with what had been going on, with what she has said so far, we don't need a soothsayer to tell us what exactly we all need to do, because right now nothing is actually working in the country. Nobody will come out to say, oh, I am enjoying my life since 2015, that at least it has been better. It has been going worse by the day. So is that how we are going to continue? That's exactly what my question is. Is that how we are going to continue and then allow the enemy to overrun us? And they shall make it clear that Yoruba nation agitators should not relent in their efforts, that this is exactly the time. Yes, so this is exactly the time we all need to wake up. This is exactly the time we all need to face it squarely, because as it stands that the enemies are planning evil against the Yoruba nation movement, and the Yoruba nation agitator, as at this moment, they have to just wake up, because hey, if care is not taken, they will take over the land. That the Fulani right now are out, they are everywhere, and they are planning evil on the Yoruba people. So right now, I think what we are supposed to do, of which we have been saying, and then we have said these times with that number, is the fact that let all our leaders come together. Let all our leaders do the needful by, doing the right thing. Then now we also need to know who are this set of people that are actually for the Yoruba Nation movement. Because right now, a lot of people are just following different associations, and then, with all those associations that you are following, I'm not sure that will save the Yoruba people. You are following different kind of, association, different kind of union, of which is destabilizing the Yoruba nation movement. Why can't we come together as one to get this achieved? The moment we are separated, that is the beginning of our downfall. Together we stand, and divided we fall. Why are we divided? That's exactly the question right now. Because the Fulanis, in case you don't know, they are still very much in the forest, in Yoruba forest. If you remembered then, they said, forget those Yoruba agitators, people that we have caged, meaning they have surrounded the whole of Yoruba land. They are staying with the Yoruba people. This is so risky. The more reason why the Yoruba nation movement must stand out strong, or else it will fall. So a lot of things were actually said by this elderly woman, but the truth of the matter right now is that we all need to come together and work together in love, because love is the greatest. All right, my people, and this is exactly what it is on to this one. What more can we say? Well, let me have your own take, my people, on this, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are new on this channel. All right, thanks and God bless.